Hi friend, today I will discuss CBSE NET 2018 July final answer key published today. So see NET CBSE NET and answer key and record response and challenge. Application number, date of birth, security pin and login. National eligibility test, and click here to view image and OMR set. View answer key, view record response, etc. Click here. And view download and OMR set. View download and OMR set. Roll number, date of birth and login. And OMR set download of July 2018. Candidate details, name, roll number. Download paper 1 OMR sheet, download paper 2 OMR sheet. Download OMR sheet and paper 2. Paper 1 and OMR sheet. There is a OMR sheet download. View answer key. Select question paper and subject code and book number and submit. CBSE NET answer key and answer key download link डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा.